You've probably heard the buzzwords, fintech, cross-border payments, global business. But what does it all mean for you, especially if you're based in Nigeria? Enter Airwallex. This financial platform promises to revolutionize how businesses operate, but is it the real deal? Let's dive in. Imagine you're running a thriving online business in Lagos. Your customers are spread across the globe, and you're dealing with multiple currencies, complex payment gateways, and hefty transaction fees. Sounds like a headache, right? This is where platforms like Airwallex claim to offer a solution. But does Airwallex actually live up to the hype in a market as dynamic and complex as Nigeria? That's the burning question. Nigeria, with its vast population and growing digital economy, is a fertile ground for financial innovation. Yet, challenges like unstable currency, slow banking infrastructure, and high transaction costs persist. This is where the allure of platforms like Airwallex becomes particularly strong. So, what exactly does Airwallex offer? On paper, it's a comprehensive financial platform that includes features like multi-currency accounts, fast transfers, and embedded finance solutions. It sounds promising, but how does it translate to the Nigerian context? Let's break it down. Airwallex features a deep dive. Multi-currency accounts, the ability to hold and manage multiple currencies, is a game changer for businesses dealing with international transactions. But how well does Airwallex handle Naira, the Nigerian currency? Are there any restrictions or limitations? Fast transfers, speed is of the essence in today's business world. Airwallex claims lightning-fast transfers. But how does this compare to traditional banking channels in Nigeria? Are there any hidden fees or delays? Embedded finance, this is a buzzword that often gets thrown around. But what does it really mean for Nigerian businesses? Can Airwallex truly help you integrate financial services into your product or platform seamlessly? FX rates, converting currencies, is a core function of any international payment platform. How competitive are Airwallex's exchange rates compared to other options available in Nigeria? Are there any hidden charges or markups? These are crucial questions that need to be answered to get a clear picture of Airwallex's value proposition for Nigerian businesses. Airwallex versus traditional banking. To truly assess Airwallex, we need to compare it to the existing options. Traditional banks in Nigeria have been around for decades and have a vast network. While they offer a certain level of trust and security, they're often criticized for slow processes, high fees, and limited digital capabilities. How does Airwallex stack up against these giants? Is it a viable alternative or a mere complement? Real-world experiences. The best way to understand a product is to hear from people who've used it. We need to find Nigerian businesses that have adopted Airwallex and get their first-hand experiences. What are the pros and cons? Did it solve their problems? What challenges did they face? Airwallex and the regulatory landscape. Operating in a regulated industry like finance comes with its own set of challenges. How does Airwallex navigate the complex regulatory environment in Nigeria? Is it fully compliant with all the necessary licenses and permits? The future of Airwallex in Nigeria. Looking ahead, where does Airwallex fit into the broader fintech landscape in Nigeria? Can it become a dominant player? What are the potential challenges and opportunities? To wrap it up, Airwallex presents an intriguing proposition for Nigerian businesses. It promises to streamline cross-border payments, offer competitive exchange rates, and provide innovative financial solutions. But the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Only through thorough research, analysis, and real-world experiences can we determine if Airwallex is truly the financial savior that Nigerian businesses have been waiting for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.